This right here is my 1994 Nitro 190 DC bass boat that we're going to be restoring. Let's start and jump right into what I want to do with this boat, because it is old and it does need quite a bit of work. The first thing I want to do for sure is these seats. I want to not replace them. I just want to take them out and just replace the top layer on them, redo them. But they are good seats. The only thing that I might change on the seats is the middle cushion right there. I might put a console in there, but I don't know for sure. Haven't decided fully on that. But those seats, I do want to replace those for sure. And the other thing that I really want to replace in this boat, which, I mean, it's still all right. It would be fine for a couple years, but I want to replace it really soon, like this winter, is this carpet. Let me show you this carpet. So this carpet, as you can see, it has a ton of sun fading on it. It's super sun faded. And then up there too, like in the middle right there, sun faded. It still has some decent color and it's still nice. Like it'd work just fine for the next couple years. But I really like that little foam mat stuff. And so I really want to rip the carpet out and put that foam mat stuff down and do the foam mat. Like I want to do it white with black like striping through it. I think that'd look really good on this boat. And so I want to do that throughout the whole boat, and probably even down there too, replace that. But I don't know for sure about down there. I might leave that. One thing that needs to go, well, I guess it doesn't need to go, but I would like to see it gone, and that's all the way up in the front of the boat. So let me show you what I want to do up here. So up here we have the original trolling motor that came with the boat. It is a motor guide, as you can see right there, motor guide. But I really want to replace this, and then the foot pedal. I was thinking about making an inserted tray to put the foot pedal in, but I do really want to upgrade this and make it so that we have a newer one that actually, when you turn, this thing just doesn't move on its own freely like it does right now, and you don't know exactly which way the trolling motor is truly going. Those are the couple main things that I'm replacing probably this winter when hopefully we get monetized. So with that being said, if you like the video so far, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button, because it really helps out the channel, as we are super close to being monetized. We're only a couple hundred away from that. But there are a couple little minuscule accessories that I do want to put on the boat that the boat doesn't have right now, that I think would be a super big upgrade for the boat. So let me show you those. So right now the boat for the rod holders is just this little bungee cord, which just comes across right there just like that. But I really do want to put those straps that come in from the sidewall and come all the way out. I do want to put those in. I think those would be a fantastic touch, and they would save my rods a little bit more than those bungee cords do. So I think that is one little thing that I want to do. And also up here, I do have a fish finder right now, but it's super small. It's literally this big. So I want to put one more. I want to put a new one here, and then also right there I have a mount for it, but that one actually doesn't work. That came with the boat. So I want to put a brand new one right there. I think I want to go with the Lowrance hook 2, the 9-inch ones. So one there and then one up front. And I think those would be perfect for this boat. But with that being said, I don't know a ton about electronics. So if you guys do have any recommendations for electronics or for other stuff I should do to the boat, definitely leave it in the comments, and I would love to hear what your guys' thoughts are on certain things with the boat that I should upgrade and maybe should change. And I would love to just hear what that is. Also, another thing that I want to add that this boat doesn't have yet is one of those trays for your pliers and scissors. I do want to put one of those on. I don't know which side I want to put it on, but I was thinking about putting it like right over in that corner, because right now I have one right there for hooks that's just magnetized on the bottom. So I think I would put it right over there on that side, but I don't know exactly which one to get yet. If you also have any recommendations for that, leave that in the comments too, because I would love to hear what you guys' thoughts are on that. I'll show you this one thing that I do need to change that I think would be nice, so then I don't have to worry about it anymore. Back here, all the batteries for when I charge it come right here off this little cord, which for now it works fine, but I don't really love it. All the way back here under the tarp and everything, there is the plug right there that you normally would plug the boat into to charge it, but right now it's just there, and that powers all the batteries, even the trolling motor batteries. But I would love to get that switched all back to the back plug-in, so then I don't have to have that cord out all the time. Like, I went out a couple times with a couple buddies, and one of them's actually tripped on it and almost fell in, which was kind of funny, but also I don't really want to have to worry about that anymore, and it would be nice just to have it all in one spot to plug it in right in the back. But with that being said, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you made it all the way to this point, which if you did, make sure to comment boat at the end of the video. And also hit the like button and subscribe if you did make it this far. Helps out the channel tremendously, as the last video on the boat was the best video on my channel, which I'm super happy about. Thank you guys so much for that. But if you do have any recommendations for the boat, or for anything that I should do, accessories or just stuff to the actual boat that I should do, leave them in the comments. It will help out tremendously. And also, I'll hope to see you guys next week. We're doing Fridays. I think instead of 7 p.m. Eastern, we're gonna go back to 6 p.m. Eastern. So I'm putting this one out at 6 p.m. Eastern. And let me know in the comments what you guys think and what times we should put the videos out. I might also, depending, maybe 2 weeks, I might go to 2 videos a week, but I'll keep you guys posted on that, and I will let you know.